Hello everybody, it's Dave, N9VFR, and how many of you bought these little bitty guys? The Baofeng UV5R Mini. You gotta admit, they're just cool as can be. I mean, so tiny, so compact. Um, but ask me why I bought them, and I don't know, they were cheap. I think, I'll tell you what, I'll tell you how much they cost. But every time I tell somebody how much they cost, how much I paid for them, they say, "Oh, I only got them for this much." So I'll tell you what, I'll tell you, you don't tell anybody else because everybody will be calling, "Hey, Dave, you paid that much?" Yeah, I got two of them for, I think, $45. Two HTs for $45, dual bands. I mean, come on, that's ridiculous. So what we're going to do is program these things by hand. And you know what? It really is quite simple. We're going to do it by hand. So bear with me. We're not going to do chirp. We're not going to do the Bluetooth. We're not going to do any of the ones that you can buy and program. We're going to do this by hand, and I think you'll find that it really is simple. And it's always good to know just how to program one of these things in case you need to. There's a frequency you want to add, a repeater you want to put in. We're going to do that. So bear with me. It's really a small thing, and the timer on it, it gets dark very quickly. It goes, so you have to be kind of quick with your hands. So here we go. Okay, the first thing I recommend you do with this little radio is something like what I did here. And that is plan out how you're going to set it up and the repeaters you're going to put in, the simplex frequencies, everything. Not just that. What I have here, I have the receive frequency. For example, I always start out with 14652 on channel 1 on one of these. Many radios, they don't quite know what to do with channel 1. This one didn't seem to have that problem, but I always start out on a 2-meter radio, 14652. So, and not only is it the receive, of course, with the simplex, it's the the transmit as well. The second one is going to be my home repeater, the one I'm most likely to use 90% of the time when I'm in the area around my home repeater. So I'm going to put the receive frequency here, and also I'm going to name that repeater, and I'm going to call it the receive frequency, whatever it is. Mine happens to be 145230, and that's what it's the receive frequency. That's what I'm going to name it. Whenever I think of a repeater, I don't think of, well, it's this club's, no, I always think of the frequency. I'm just going to name it that. And also, I've got the offset programmed in, not the negative positive. I've got the frequency that I'm transmitting. The transmit frequency is programmed right here. And also, over here, I've got the transmit CTCSS code. I've got it all ready to go. I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 1 through 13. I've got the receive, or in the case of simplex, of course, transmit. It's also the name that I'm going to give these channels, as well as I've got the transmit frequency. I've got over here the transmit CTCSS. If you need a receive, occasionally you will. I never have needed one. Maybe you will. You can also indicate that somewhere. I highly recommend that with this radio, you plan out how you're going to set this up. So having said that, here we go. I'm going to turn the camera. I'm going to let you see this little bitty camera, and hopefully we can make this happen. All right. Well, here we go. I am behind the camera. As you can see, there's not a very big screen. This will be a little bit challenging. So we'll see what we can do. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to start off by deleting everything, just clearing this radio off. So to bring anything, the menu to start, the little menu channel or a little menu button right there. The VM, that's for the VFO or the memory channel, VM. I don't think it even matters where we are. I'm currently in channel, the memory mode, or if I want to go to frequency mode, I can do that. I don't think it matters for this, but so here's what I'm going to do. Hit the menu again, and it's going to take me to scan the top and radio set. So hit this little button. See, I told you had to be really quick with these, so you have to be prepared and kind of organize what you want to do. So let's get it back alive. Menu again, and I'm going to hit menu again, and then I'm going to radio set. And the down arrow, I guess I actually could go up, but we'll go down for a bit. But that's how you go down through the, but actually what I want to do is, I want radio set, and okay, I'm going to go all the way down. Actually, what I want to do is up for reset. Now I'm going to let it go out of there. Now what I can do, I'm in radio set. I can also hit number 26, and that's going to take me to reset. And I hit menu again for OK, and reset all, go down the button, and OK. Are you sure? Yeah, I actually am. I'm going to, because we're going to, there we go. It's going to clear itself off.
Channel mode.
It has reset again. All right. So let's start programming this thing. It is clean now.
Menu.
So I'm going to start there again. Program channel. Let's click on the menu. Channel name. Let's do that. And if you look up here, ABC, and down here, the little star, I'm going to change that. There's capital ABC. There's numbers. That's what I'm going to want, numbers. See, I'm hitting the little bottom right. It's small letters ABC, capital ABC, or 1, 2, 3. So let's say I hit 4, 4, 4. I want to delete that. Well, let's hit the exit button right there, and maybe you can see they go away. So I'm on the 1, 2, 3. I'm on the numbers, and I want 1, 4, 6, 5, 2, 0. And I don't know that that's what came up. So let's just don't go there. We're going to exit there. So we're going to, I think we probably waited a little bit too long. Program channel. Okay. And we're going to give it a name again. We've got to find through the channel name. Enter. I waited too long. I don't want to do all that. Program channel. See, you have to be quick. So you have to kind of, channel name is what I want. And I'm, okay, I got ABC. And there's 1, 2, 3. I've got 1, 4, 6, 5, 2, 0. It took it that time. Click OK. And again, you kind of have to be quick. So now I want receive frequency. Okay, the receive frequency is 1, 4, 6, 5, 2, 0. And we knew that. And okay. Transmit the TX frequency. We're going to give it the same thing. 1, 4, 6, 5, 2, 0. And there's 1. All right. So we've got that. We've got the first one. Okay. And I don't need to go anywhere else. I can actually exit out of there.
Menu.
And let me double check here. Program channel. Let me see. We don't want to. Let's go to here. Let's exit out of that completely. So let's go to
Menu.
Well, let me see. That's not what I want. I want here.
Frequency mode. Channel mode.
Channel mode. There is that one. Okay. I hit that by the VFO/memory to find that. So, okay. All right. We are good there. So, well, it's that automatically went, and it says it's on channel 11, and I didn't want it on channel 11. So, I'm going to just delete that one. Let's just clean the whole thing off again. Radio set. We're actually going to go up this time because it's the very bottom. Reset. Reset all. We're going to reset again. Menu, are you sure? Yes, I am sure. It's going to start right back. All right. Okay.
Channel mode.
So,
Menu.
radio reset. Program channel is what we want. Channel name. We're going to find the numbers. And there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 6, 5, 2, 0. And that's what I want. All right. Receive frequency. That's going to be the same. 1, 4, 6, 5, 2, 0. We've got the channel name, menu button again. All right. Now the transmit. So we've got Again, 146520. All right, save. We're going to go, we don't need to do anything there. It's giving me channel 11, but I don't care. I don't really care right now what channel number is. Okay, we're going to exit that. So let's go to VFO.
Frequency mode.
Let's go, but we're going to go to the top. AB. Let's just use the top one up here. I want to use AB. It is the frequency. Somehow it's telling me the channel mode is 144925. And I don't want that. I want to change that. We're going to go down to program that. No, we're going to delete that channel. We're going to delete that channel because I don't want that channel up there. We're going to, well, I guess we can't do that. All right. We're going to go channel name. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and do a repeater. I'm going to do a repeater because I'm getting tired of doing that one. Program channel. All right. I'm going to bring my little organized right here so that I can see it while I'm programming this. So, all right, let's set that one up.
Menu.
I want to go down, program channel. Channel name, this is going to be 145230. 145230. That's supposed to be the channel name. I'm not sure that went there. So let's try this. Channel name, there we go. That's what we want. 145230. That's the channel name. That's what I want. Okay. And now I want the receive frequency, okay, which is again 145230.
145230.
That's good. Now I've got to check. This is a repeater. It's a negative offset on 2 meters. So I'm going to, well, I'm going to transmit. We're already doing all this. All right, come on. Transmit frequency is going to be 144630.
144630.
All right, we have that. So very good. Now what I'm looking for here next is going to be, I don't need the receive CT, I need the transmit, the TX. That's what I want. And for this repeater, it is 79.7. So I just go down here, hit 79.7 right there, and enter that. Okay, I think we are. I don't think we need to do anything else. Just going through channel memory. All right, let's put it on channel memory. And I want that on channel 2, actually. I want it on channel 2. All right, so we are moving right along. I'll tell you what, let's go. Exit out of everything. We should be
20.
Yes, I'm going the other way.
2.
Well, that's okay. I've got it both 1 and 2. So anyway, that is how you program. You want to change. Okay, let's go back up.
3.
I don't want there. This has still got things on it, interestingly. Menu here. I want to program that again. I'm going to do this 14652 again. I want channel name. Uh-oh. Stop. Program channel. Channel name. All right. Now, I don't want letters. I only want numbers. 146520. What I'm doing is editing, putting this on number 1, and I want this 146520. That's going to be moved to channel 1 shortly. Transmit frequency. This is not a repeater. This is going to be 146520. I want that now. I'm going to go, okay, because it has a transmit CTCS, and I don't want that. So what I have to make sure it's off. It's right there, off. That's very good. Okay, so we're going to put this on, find the memory where I want to put it. Going down, channel memory. I want that on channel 1. I will push it in there. All right, so let's get on out of this. 14652 is channel 1 right there. 0.
20.
And I want, so channel 2 is 14523. I can see above the negative offset. And this is very good. This is how you do it. all the way through. That's what you do. Now I'm going to give this a, maybe I can reach this repeater from here. I'm not sure. I think you can kind of see me back in the, I'll try it. N9 VFR testing. I'm not hearing a kerchunk. I was trying. All right. So there you are. You go all the way through. Follow your little plan. It's all right there. And let me pause this. I'll be with you in just a moment. Well, I am back. This little radio is on its way to being programmed. It really is simple. It takes only minutes. I think if you set this up, you organize yourself, you plan it out, and these little guys, I don't know. I don't really expect very much out of them, but they're just cute. It's just cool little radios. But that's what you do. That's how you program it manually. It's really very simple, kind of fun actually, and knowing how to do it is a cool thing. So I'm going to call this video complete, and cheers on another successful little radio programming, and life is good. And so is homebrew. All right, guys, we'll see you again later in N9 VFR.